The monthly view is designed to give you an at-a-glance overview of your month. On the left, we have space to set goals in different areas of your life other than just your business. We also include a space to set an affirmation for the month. Research shows that it takes about 30 days to develop a new habit, so an affirmation a month is a nice pace. The center of the monthly view consists of a traditional monthly view of a calendar. Use the monthly view to plan out your flow activities and to schedule your personal time. On the right side, we have space to identify your 3 mailings for the month, and then you can schedule the date for mailing on the monthly calendar view. We have also included a space for monthly action items or tasks that you want to accomplish during the month. It is also important to take some time each month and look at your business and your life and identify what is working well and also what may not be working. We have provided space for this near the bottom of the page. By taking some time to write these things down, you can start to come up with a plan as to how to leverage the things that are working and to transition away from things that are not working. Thank you for watching, and you can send your ideas and comments to feedback@monumentalliving.com.